Well, the snow made things rough on the roads. The State Patrol responded to nearly 500 crashes across Minnesota during the storm. There were just over 600 spinouts and 22 jackknifed semis. A few cities have declared snow emergencies. Just visit our website to find out if yours is one of them. The snow is a lot to absorb for many Minnesotans, especially this early.
Susan-Elizabeth Littlefield has more on the storm that made us all second guess the season.
Fall in Minnesota is a sharp descent, and this year the snow fell before the leaves did.
It's time to start playing Christmas music, you know, like cancel Halloween. I'm ready.
Maggie and Jack took a distance learning break in this untimely accumulation. This was the pair just 2 weeks ago.
The colors were just getting going from greenish to orangish, and then all of a sudden now it is the middle of winter in October.
Typically in the month of October, the Twin Cities see just over a half inch of snow. By 3 o'clock today, there was already 4 inches of snow in New Hope, 5 inches in Lakeville, and 6.5 in Delano. The fall snowfall amped up business at Jerry's Do It Best Hardware in Eden Prairie.
Most people were coming in for ice scrapers for their car, windshield washer fluid.
Charcoal made way for salt. Lawnmowers made way for snow blowers.
We always try to have what they need and anticipate, but it's been a quick change of getting product out.
It's calls to hustle, but this local says he's not complaining about this rare collision of nature.
My birthday is tomorrow, so I've always wanted snow on my birthday, and lo and behold, I got it. So maybe I'll head to Highland Hills.
After all, Minnesotans know good and well how to adjust to the weather, no matter the season. Susan-Elizabeth Littlefield, WCCO 4 News.
We saw some families making the most of the snow today. Some kids were out sledding at Power Hill Park in Chanhassen. We'd love to see how you enjoyed today's winter weather. Just share your pictures and videos on social media with the hashtag WCCO.